family, my name's Elysia English and welcome back to my channel. During this video, we're gonna do a thrift to treasure. So this morning I woke up to over 10,000 subscribers. I can't believe that in such a short amount of time we were able to hit this milestone. It's thanks to you guys' support that makes this channel so great. If you haven't already hit subscribe on my channel, you're gonna want to because we have lots of new content coming your way. I don't know about you, but I love thrift shopping. I like using things that have been recycled or thrown away by someone else. I use them in my home and I also use them a lot for my handmade business. I buy a lot of secondhand furniture that I can restore and resell. And oftentimes I don't keep anything for myself. When I'm looking for furniture for our own home, I often look for things that are a little bit mid-century, a little bit bohemian, and something that stands out for me because I see so much furniture. I don't want something that looks like pieces I've done before. Online this week, I met this lovely lady who's moving to a new home who is getting rid of some old furniture. As you can probably tell from watching other videos on my channel, that I like to do things thriftily and within a budget. So I actually offered this lady to trade a sign that I had created for this beautiful piece of furniture that she had. And she said yes. Give me a thumbs up if you think this is gorgeous. I thought this would be the perfect piece to start my thrift to treasure. So I took a trip to my local thrift store so I could find some items that I could use to create and stage this beautiful cabinet that I picked up this week. I found some wicker baskets, some upcycled yarn, some pillowcases, hot plates, spare pillows, glass jars, wood candle holder, and some spare plates. I'm going to restore this piece by cleaning and prepping it, painting it white, and then adding some distressing where all the detail is. Now that I'm covered in paint, I'm gonna let my white paint on my cabinet dry while I work on the next part of my project. I picked up these great jars for 50 and 75 cents each, and I'm going to remove the lids, give them a good clean, and remove all the stickers. When at the thrift store, I look for jars that have unique patterns on them, the sizes and shapes. I especially like this honeycomb pattern. I know that when I'm staging this cabinet, I'm going to want something to be wall art above it, and so I found these really unique baskets. I'm going to remove the handles from them and use them for some wall art. If you check your local home decor stores, you'll find that these wicker wall art circles are very expensive. Well, I paid only 50 cents for each of these baskets. I'm going to use the upcycled wool that I found to try to attempt to make my first macrame. I'm going to try to make my macrame probably about as deep as my table and kind of come down into a triangular shape, and I'm going to use 3 different colors of wool. Okay, so real life, I cut my center ones a little bit shorter than I wanted to, so I've removed a couple of them and I'm making a few longer ones to put in so I can make my triangle a little more angled. I'm measuring each side to make sure that each length on both sides is accurate. Cameo, I created some medallions that looked in a bohemian style, and I'm going to transfer them onto my hot plates. Painted in an antique white and distress, and I think it looks gorgeous. I used the pillowcases and the pillows to create some decor pillows to sit in my basket. I used the spare plates to create this 2-tiered shelf. I put these awesome glass jars in a little tray that I made, which is perfect to put plants in. Using my silhouette cameo, I made some boho patterns on these hot plates. My wicker basket bottoms, which I still can't believe were only 50 cents, turned into the perfect wall decor for my bohemian style setup. And my upcycled yarn turned into the perfect bohemian macrame. I can't wait to move all of this into our dining room. Can you believe that all of the items that I used to stage this piece only came to $10.15? I hope you enjoyed my first thrifted treasure. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more thrifted treasure and what your favorite project was that I worked on today. If you love this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much, YouTube family, for all of the support. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next project.